Hi friends, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Praveen C Srivastava, founder and CEO of PNP Consultants, a company into business consulting, coaching and training. I am also a recipient of Philip Kotler Excellence Award in the area of consulting and training. I am a profit coach, corporate trainer, author, management consultant, turnaround specialist, and a keynote speaker who works with business owners, CEOs of the company, and help them to grow in terms of profitability, business growth, sales, enhancement of their productivity, and also the operational excellence. I have conducted hundreds of seminars on the topic how to grow your business and increase profitability and high impact selling. I've also written two books, How to Grow Your Business and Increase Profitability and High Impact Selling. On the academic front, I am graduate in mechanical engineering, masters in robotics. I have done my diploma in international trade and finance and also PhD in management. I closely work with CEOs, business owners, directors of the company, and not only preach but also handhold them in order to achieve the business excellence. Please feel free to contact me on my website www.praveencsrivastava.com and www.pnpconsultants.com.